Welcome to the in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So in my case, when I'm just swapping with my finger to the right side here from the home screen, I can can turn on the Google Fit, as can you see. And if you want to just turn it off, you just hold for a while your screen and go to the home settings. Now just tap here to the swipe access and switch your Google Fit to the nothing. And as you can see here, we got the show nothing. And now, when you just swipe with your finger to the right side, you just can do nothing, so you can't enable the Google Fit, so that means that we just turn off this feature. And if you want to turn it on again, you just should go to the home settings again, to the swipe access, and switch it to the Google Fit. And now, as you can see, we can turn on or just open the Google Fit again. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.